Well, we're definitely seeing a resurgence in the color cosmetics category as well as skincare. The last year, the pandemic was tough. As a company, we did great. We were strong before the pandemic. We executed well. I think we just finished a quarter with 24% sales growth. But I'm particularly excited about as people get vaccinated, as consumers get about their normal lives, the ability and what that means for our category.
What about margins? What is the outlook? Little concern about the guidance outlook. Clearly, input costs are rising, and so are commodity prices across the board. Is that going to be painful?
Well, I think in the short term, there's certainly, like many other companies, we're facing the global imbalance of containers, which is leading to supply availability, higher costs, but imbalances tend to balance out over time. So long term, I'm not worried. It's really, I think, continuing our momentum and continue to pick up market share is our focus.
What about market share? You mentioned in the release that you are one of the few brands to actually grow it during this time period. Who are you taking share from? And does that have to do with the lower price point or the way consumers are shopping or your assortment or what?
Well, I think it's a number of different things. So we were the only top 5 brand in the last year that picked up market share. We picked up 100 basis points of market share. And I think it really speaks to our overall value equation. We have prestige quality products at these extraordinary prices. And we've also been executing well on a strategy over this time, including our ability to engage Gen Z through our different digital efforts. Our online business was up triple digits last year. And so I think we're really firing on all cylinders.
Looking at the analyst notes following the release, it seems like some were thinking the guidance was a little bit soft, yet they had confidence you'd be upping the guidance throughout the course of the year. Can you comment on that at all?
Well, we always hope to do that. I think that's been our track record over the last couple of years, where we've been able to exceed expectations and continue to kind of build both market share and our business. And I feel we're even stronger than we've ever been. I mean, obviously, our E.l.f. cosmetics brand and E.l.f. skincare brands are doing extremely well. But we're also really excited about our launch of Keys Soul Care, a brand new lifestyle beauty brand with Alicia Keys, as well as our clean beauty brand, Well People.
A lot of the companies that are in your business are higher. If you look at the stocks, a lot of consumer companies are higher. Is this a rising tide lifts all boats kind of environment, or are you seeing distinction in the different innovations or lines that you're doing versus your competitors? Or are they just all going to work right now as everyone reopens and goes out?
Well, I think we definitely have points of distinction. I go back to our fundamental value equation of having prestige quality products at these great values, our ability to engage Gen Z, but probably most importantly is our innovation. We're one of the few companies through the pandemic that continued to launch new products that really resonated with consumers. We have an incredible pipeline of innovation coming up. And so I feel like we can continue to execute and continue to do well, even in a market where I'm hoping everyone does well.
Is lipstick back? It took such a hit with the wearing of masks.
Well, lipstick is going to come back, as are other categories. I mean, we just had a launch of our Camo CC cream, which builds off our Camo franchise. It's already our #1 item, and it's in the foundation category. So we're seeing real strength across all the different categories of color cosmetics.
And quickly remind us of your demographic and how you're able to reach them. I always think of E.l.f. Cosmetics as going for a younger demo.
Well, we do skew younger. I mean, I think we're quite strong amongst Gen Z. I think in the later Piper Sandler study, we're the second most favorite brand amongst teens. I think 8 votes shy of #1. So we've always had a very strong following in our ability to engage Gen Z, including through platforms like TikTok. We recently got into gaming with Twitch and our live stream there. I think our latest TikTok challenge, TikTok Gamers Got Talent, has, I think, now amassed over 13 billion views. So we definitely have a way of engaging younger consumers, but even beyond that. And I think, it really speaks to the digital strength that we have.
Tarang Amin, great to talk to you. Thank you for the update on the business.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.